Today, we will learn about the difference between must and have to. Both words show obligation or necessity, but they have different uses. You use must when you feel something is necessary yourself. You use have to when the necessity comes from outside, like rules or other people. Must expresses internal obligation. It is a personal feeling or a strong need you decide yourself. Have to shows external obligation. It comes from rules, laws, or what other people require. Both show strong necessity but from different sources. For example, you say, "You must wear a seatbelt" when you feel it is very important. Or, "I must remember to send a birthday card" when it is your own decision. Use have to for external rules like, "We have to get to the airport early," or "She has to take a bus to work every day." Must means personal obligation or internal pressure. Have to means external rules or situations beyond your control. Both words express strong obligation. What makes them different is where the obligation comes from. When you say, "I must write a letter," it means you decided it is necessary. When you say, "I have to write a letter," it means someone else told you to do it. Another example is, "I must lose weight because you want to," but "I have to pay my rent because it is a rule or law." The negative form must not is mustn't, which means you are prohibited from doing something. You must not touch something dangerous. The negative form of have to is don't have to, which means there is no obligation. You don't have to come if you don't want to. For example, you say, "You mustn't smoke here" to show it is forbidden, or "Visitors mustn't feed the animals." On the other hand, "You don't have to wear a uniform" means it is not necessary. "We don't have to finish this today" means there is no deadline now. To sum up, must is for personal obligation and have to is for external obligation. Understanding these differences helps you speak English more clearly. Keep practicing these forms, and soon you will master their use perfectly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.